Girl, you gonna be showing all your goodies. Don't go commando. Hey y'all, what's up? So we are about to try to make sure I don't show my address here, some stuff from Temu. This is how it came packaged, just like this. So I'm excited to show you guys. I got a couple of outfits up in here and we just about to try them on and see what it's like. Okay, this is cute. I like this. I don't got on no shoes, so don't look at my feet, but this is cute, y'all. I like this. So I would say like the material is like the equivalent of Lovely Wholesale. Y'all know who Lovely Wholesale is. They've been around for a minute. Let me show y'all the back. This is what this looks like. So yeah, I mean, it's really cute. The quality, I mean, it's cool. It's not nothing to write home about, but it's cool. But yeah, y'all, this is what it looks like. Ooh. This is what it looks like up close. And I wanted to get something out of my normal color range, which is black, white, pink, brown. So this is definitely that. But I can see myself rocking this in the summer. Very medium. And I feel like, girl, these some damn pajamas. Look at how much space in this. This is see-through, okay? And you wanna you wanna cover up for you. Girl, you gonna be showing all your goodies. Don't go commando. Don't leave the house with no undies on, because they gonna see everything, okay? Everything. No. The material on this is trash. Y'all know y'all gonna get an honest review from me. Sorry, y'all, I'm doing a TikTok as well. Y'all know y'all gonna get an honest review from me. I do not like the material on this. The material on the dress I just showed you is much, much better. I feel like I could wear this as some pajamas. This might be in a large. Let me show y'all the back. Can y'all see the back? This the back. Yeah, not really feeling this one. Okay, y'all, so this is this three-piece. So it's the swimsuit top, it's the bottom, and then it is this cover-up. Now I like the cover-up, but everything else I don't like. So that's the back of it right there. That's the back of it. And this is really cute, but the top a little bit too big. My girls is not like there. So I will have to keep pulling it up, and I hate this shit. So yeah, this is cute though. The bottoms are low cut, very low cut. Yeah, but it's cute. But the measurements, like a large, I could barely pull these up. This don't fit that good, but I like this. I like this. I can see myself wearing this for sure as the cover up. Like this right here is hot. I like this a lot. This and this bottoms I don't like. That's that ish I don't like. Okay, y'all, so this two-piece I got in a large. I like this, however, it is a bit snug, like right here. And when I get these, I don't have my belly out. Like, you'll see a little peek, a little, hello, come back in. Like, I'm not gonna show the whole thing. The color, I ain't really feeling. Like, I wanted to do something outside my norm. This is the back. What we think? This is really tight. You know, I done gained a little weight. It's snugging the heck up out of me right here. But yeah, I mean, it's cute. I probably wouldn't wear this out. I'll probably put it on, take some pictures or whatever. So yeah, and then I want to show y'all this little bag. Where's the straps for it though? Okay, so I have been eyeing this cute little bag for a while, y'all. I think this thing was like literally $3, and they had it in all these different colors. So this is the little bag. I think this was like $3, but I thought this was so cute. I was gonna try to get it in time for like Valentine's Day, but we all know that that's past. But this bag is so cute. This is what it look like. It's so cute. We got a little zipper right here, a little pocket. Very cute, but not a whole lot of space in the inside though. So keep that in mind. And then yeah, and then last but not least, I saw these nails on there. I've been doing my own nails, and I wanted to, here are these nails, y'all. Now I didn't expect them to be that long. Like the pictures were condescending, but yeah, I'm gonna come back and do like a review on these nails right here. So yeah, I think y'all gonna have to follow my TikTok and my Instagram to see like me try the nails on or whatever, because I'm not gonna do it in this video. This is what the nails look like, y'all. They are very cute, but they are too long. I'm gonna have to cut them. I got a nail cutter and I'll cut them, but this is so cute, very cute. All right, y'all, so that's it for this video. Let me know which one you thought was your favorite. I mean, I like this. The quality is probably the equivalent of the first dress. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all know I'm gonna do an unsponsored review. I'm not gonna be like, oh, this is so cute. Girl, nah. Y'all finna get the real from me, okay? Be keeping it real. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all tried them before. Did you like them? What were your thoughts? Let me know in the comments. Y'all, the shipping was freaking fast, okay? I feel like I ordered this on Monday. No. I think I ordered this Saturday. Today is Friday and I got my stuff. So I like that because I was like, oh, I cannot wait to try this stuff out. I probably would order from them again and get like something different in my comfort zone, because like some of these colors, no, we're gonna go back to our normal. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. It really helps me out, y'all. I'm trying to bring up my subscriber game. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.